Want to automatically save email attachments to a SharePoint folder using Power Automate? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a flow that does exactly that. No manual downloading required. For this example, I'm using a mailbox in Outlook and a SharePoint document library called Shared Documents with a dedicated folder called Email Attachments. The flow will trigger every time a new email with an attachment arrives and automatically save that attachment to your SharePoint folder. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate. Click Create, choose Automated Cloud Flow and give your flow a clear name. For example, save email attachments to SharePoint. Step 2. Set the trigger. Search for when a new email arrives and select version 3. Set only with attachments to yes. Also set include attachments to yes. Make sure both are set to yes before you continue. Step 3. Add a condition. Click New Step, search for condition and add it. Set the condition to check whether has attachments is equal to true. Step 4. Add an apply to each loop. In the yes branch of the condition, add an apply to each action. Set the input to attachments from the dynamic content of your trigger. Step 5. Create the file in SharePoint. Inside the apply to each loop, add the action create file from the SharePoint connector. For site address, select your SharePoint site from the drop-down. For folder path, type the path to your folder, for example /shared document /email attachments. For file name, click on expression and type the expression exactly as shown on screen. You can also copy it directly from the description of this video. For file content, click on expression and type the expression exactly as shown on screen. This one is also in the description. Step 6. Save the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Step 7. Test the flow. Click Test and choose Manually. Send yourself a test email with a few attachments. In this example, I'm sending myself an email with 3 files: a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel spreadsheet, and a PDF document. Go back to Power Automate and watch the flow run. The apply to each loop will run 3 times, once for each attachment. Step 8. Verify the result. Open your SharePoint document library and go to the Email Attachments folder. You will see all 3 files saved there automatically: the PowerPoint, the Excel file, and the PDF with their original file names. And that's it. You've successfully built a Power Automate flow that automatically saves email attachments to a SharePoint folder. If this video helped you, give it a like and drop a comment with the next Power Automate topic you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power Apps and Power Automate tutorials.